Hello everyone, Chef Africana, welcome back to the YouTube channel for yet another amazing recipe.
And today we're making these super crispy spiced coconut fried prawns from my brand new textbook Africana. It's written by Lerato. I got it at Textbook Center and it's so far been a really incredible book. So we're gonna start by preparing our shrimp or our prawns, whatever you wanna call them. So grab your prawns and from the bottom side, you're gonna start to remove the shell all around. You want to work your way from down, moving your way all the way up until you've completely and entirely removed the shells. We're not going to move the shell completely, just want to remove the shell until you get up to the tail. The tail is going to be really useful in dipping the shrimps inside the coconut batter we're going to make later, and also in eating them, just so a little bit easier to have something to hold on to. So once you remove the shell nice and evenly, the vein that's inside is entirely optional to remove, but if you choose to remove it, by all means go ahead and do so. So to your shrimp, you want to add in some ginger and garlic, and then go in with a splash of vinegar along with some salt and black pepper. Lastly, you want to go in with some curry powder, and I decided to do a touch of turmeric. The recipe originally has a lot more spices than that, but this is all I could get my hands on, so I just went with that. Give it a quick mix and allow to marinate for about 15 minutes. You don't need to let it go for too long, and in the meantime we can make our coconut batter or the coconut coating. So you want to mix together some desiccated coconut for the coconutiness, some cornstarch for the crunch, and of course some all-purpose flour. The shot was a bit blurry in that previous shot, but I'm sorry for that. So to your flours, you want to add in some coconut milk. I'll link the recipe in the corner up above. And you want to add the coconut milk until you have a nice and smooth consistency. This is now our coconut batter completely done. Now you want to take your shrimps from the marinade and gently coat them inside that coconut batter. Make sure you get a super nice and even coating all around so that they have a super crispy texture. You're gonna dip them inside some hot vegetable oil and fry them for about a couple of minutes until they start to become super nice and golden brown. It shouldn't take too long because the desiccated coconut will brown super beautifully. So once you have a nice coating on the other ones, and get them inside the oil. You can fry a couple at a time depending on how large your frying dish is, but whenever they get super nice and golden brown, fish them out of the oil and allow them to drain. You can serve this whatever you want. They were personally just a starter for another prawn dish I was doing a little bit later on. So make sure you guys like and subscribe so that you guys can see that one too. So once your prawns are done, serve and enjoy.